Hello guys, thanks for watching this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create, how you can configure a React application using Webpack. The first step is to create the root folder for your application. In this case I'm going to create the root folder in the desktop of my computer, and the name of the root folder will be React App 1. React App 1. Once I've created the root folder, I'm going to open the command prompt and I'm gonna navigate to that folder. So I type in change directory React App 1, and as you can see, now I am inside the root folder. Now I have to type in node package manager init in order to configure a package JSON file. The command prompt is going to ask me some questions, and I have to reply those questions in order to configure the package JSON file. Now, as you can see, the first question says package name. I hit enter. Then the next question is version. I hit enter. Then a description. In this case is React and Webpack. Enter. Entry point will be server.javascript. The test command. Hit enter. Enter. Keywords React. Webpack. Author will be my name, which is Raimundo, and license, hit enter, and I type in yes. I hit enter again, and as you can see, my package JSON file has been created. Now I have to open the Sublime text editor, code editor. I'm gonna open the root folder for my project. So I'm going to navigate to the folder using the files browser of my computer. Now in this case I save the root directory in the desktop. So I select React App 1. And as you can see, this is my package JSON file. Now, as you can see, this is my package JSON file. The next step is to create a file. So I hit a new file. I'm going to save this file as server.js, and of course this file is going to be where I'm going to create my configuration for my server. So I type in const express require express now const app express again const path require path, and I think this is what I need so far. I'm going to configure the port as well. Const port equals process.environmental.port 3000. Now I'm going to configure a static server. So I want to type in a comment here. static server. This static server is going to serve my CSS files as well as my images or my pictures. Like well, the static server is the server that is going to serve images or pictures as well as CSS files. In order to configure this static server, I'm going to type in app-use express.static path.join dir name. Remember that dir name contains the path to the root folder. And now I have to type in the name of the folder where my CSS files and my images will be stored. In this case, the folder will be dist. And well, as you can see, I don't have the folder dist, so I'm going to create that folder. So I type in dist, and I've just created a new folder. Now I'm going to create a route. So I'm going to create a comment, routes. In order to create a route, I'm going to type in app.get, then slash, and I'm going to use an arrow function, request.response, and I'm going to write response.send file. Now I'm going to use path join and dir name. Remember that the dir name contains the path to the root folder. Now I'm going to type in dist slash index.html. I'm going to save. Now in this case I'm going to explain what it means. When you type in a root handler like this, it means that if the user opens the browser and visits localhost, then when the user visits localhost in the browser, in the web browser, then the index.html file will be sent back as a response. Well, now I'm going to configure the port where the server is going to get requests. In this case, the port will be 3000, and that port is stored in the port const. And I'm going to use another arrow function to display a message in the console. So I type in console log and listening at localhost 3000. Now, as you can see, I've just created my server file. Well, the file that configures my server.